Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the exciting news of Windows 12 release, which is a hot topic nowadays, as we are not sure about the exact release date and official information. There are various rumors regarding Windows 12. One of the most persistent rumors about Windows 12 is that it will be codenamed Hudson Valley 2. It suggests that it will be a major release with a significant number of new features. Another rumor is that Windows 12 will have a new design with rounded corners and a more modern look. This is consistent with the design changes that Microsoft has made to Windows 11. Windows 12 is also rumored to include new features such as a redesigned Start menu, a new taskbar, and a new File Explorer. If you need more educational and inspirational videos, do subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. In addition, there have been some rumors and leaks that suggest that Windows 12 will include more AI technology than previous versions of Windows. For example, one rumor claims that Windows 12 will use AI to power new features such as a more personalized Start menu that suggests apps and files based on your usage patterns, a more intelligent taskbar that can automatically show you the apps you're most likely to use at a given time, a more secure operating system that can use AI to detect and block malware. It's important to note that these are just rumors and leaks. Microsoft has not officially confirmed any of this information. However, given Microsoft's focus on AI in recent years, it seems likely that Windows 12 will include some new AI-powered features. Since the introduction of AI tools, AI has taken the ICT industry like a crazy giant. Some more features of AI expected in Windows 12 are an AI-powered assistant that can help you with tasks like setting reminders, finding files, and launching apps. Another AI feature is an AI-powered security feature that can scan your computer for malware and other threats. An AI-powered productivity feature that can help you write better emails, create more effective presentations, and manage your time more efficiently. Despite of these rumors, it is too early to say how Windows 12 gonna look. Only time will tell what AI-powered features will actually be included in Windows 12. However, it's clear that AI is playing an increasingly important role in the development of new operating systems. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more content like this if want to know about the secrets to get rich. Please watch this video.